Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today this is a test video and I'm joined here by Soul. Say hello.
Or Theo for short, doesn't really matter. Okay, let's play some Skywars.
Alright, let's see what type of topics we get. We got North Pole, Fireplace, Elf on the Shelf, Grinch, and Snowman.
Okay, these are all just winter stuff.
You probably
Oh
chose the
man.
winter one.
Oh man.
Snowman? Alright, let's do
Okay.
Snowman. Alright, how do we go on about Snowman?
So we're just gonna put snow on the bottom.
Probably makes the most sense. Yeah, mix of snow is the floor.
Did that.
Alright. Now all we really gotta do is...
Nighttime, or do you want to make it scary?
Scare. Yeah, I think that'll be nice.
Oh, we don't know what's the base though.
Here's the base.
That's the base. So small. It's 9. That's a 3x3.
Okay.
This is the T. We can't see. I literally can't see just because it's so white.
Alright. Okay. We'll have this as the base. This is just the structure.
The base. I feel like that's the small base. We'll I came and we'll work through it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna delete the bottom part.
Yeah. I delete the first layer, so at least looks more spherical.
Yeah. And one in now, or do we put?
It's not a ball.
Or do we put it in now?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, we have to make the thing at least 13 blocks tall to make it a good sphere. Right now we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do I curve it now, or?
Well, we need to make it look like a ball, right?
Well, not really.
Let's go one more layer.
Alright.
Go. Alright, now we cap it up.
Curve it in. By 1?
Curve it in, yeah.
I'll have to delete the hard edges, I guess.
They're gonna make this smooth looking. How's
one?
There we go.
So then, one layer, another layer going in, or do we just keep building up?
Go up again. Go up by 3. I think circles are easy to make. I think the hardest part is making a perfect sphere, which I think is even more difficult.
I mean, we're just amateurs at this. Just
Basically, yeah. Okay. I feel like this needs to be a bit higher. Here, I'll stack up a bit more.
Higher. We're wasting our time a bit. I'm gonna delete this layer.
I think we have to build up to like this height. Well, to check it, because we need to be the torso, right?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
How are we supposed to make this scary again?
Big stick.
And then we're not even at the face yet. We might have to split work right almost at the end.
That might have to be possible, yeah. Alright, go.
I mean, this might be a bit big, but it does its job.
Yeah,
Yes,
you said it was too small, and then you made it completely.
Oh shoot.
Okay, I'm just
I
gonna.
think we can't. We just make a smiley face. I'll just make a smiley face. We're running.
Here, put it to the front or whatever, wherever the front is. Get rid of these sharp edges.
I had too much buttons. Okay, I had too much. Wood sticks, or wood.
I got that. You just make the face.
Wait, what?
Just make a face.
A face?
Yes. Any face.
I make it so like it's drooling.
You figure that out. You only have 15 seconds.
What's with the hat? Oh no. Um.
There,
Oh no.
done.
Okay, we did work.
Alright, let's take a look
Oh
at this
wow,
one.
this is. Oh my goodness.
I'll
It
put
would
this
have been
as.
good if it was.
I'll put
Oh
it as
no.
good. I'll put it as good.
But okay. Okay, this is just a duck,
This is the very,
the duck,
very
large carrot, and
What about this
I'm
one?
lagging.
Alright, I'll put this one as good.
Add a scarf. We didn't add a scarf.
We didn't have time though.
Oh yeah, it definitely. We're just
Alright, what
bad.
is this one? Oh, snowball fight.
At least
I
yeah.
like you. This looks good.
The carrots are a little bit crooked. That's the where it's good.
Ooh, this looks really good.
Okay.
I don't like these particles. They really make me
like-
lag in this game. Ugh.
We did exactly the same thing as this, but a bit much
Pretty
better.
much. These all look good. Yeah, I'm just gonna
These
put
all look
AK for this
simple.
one.
Especially the hat. Look at the hat.
Yeah, I'm more confused on why they did white wool. Ooh, this one has a
Oh, big.
beard or a really huge button.
Huh? Is there one below his nose?
Well,
Oh my goodness. Nighttime, and this one is.
oh my, I have to put good. They did
slanted.
diagonals.
That got has to do good.
Okay, it's very basic. I have to put okay though.
Very small. That's cute.
It's a
Just put
cute,
okay.
yet very small. Here's
Oh,
ours.
no. This is ours. We just like we don't know even what we're doing for this one.
The head looks more spherical than all the rest.
Yeah.
We got 8th place.
We're so bad.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. It was really fun, even though we failed miserably. Where are you going?
No, I don't know. I was just having fun. We're just running around at this point.
Of course, and if you want to check Theo's channel, it is in the link in the description below. And we have this nice sunset to end this video, so remember to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember, always have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!
Hopefully you're
Ah!